Hello guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beanie right here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So first of all, take the round circumference of my head, divide it by 2, then I'll minus 2 inches. So that is depending on how stretchy your fabric is. So I'm minusing 2, you can minus 3 depending on how stretchy your fabric is. So I got 9 3/4. Then I'm using height 12 for the height of my beanie. So you can use 11, you can use 10, but I'm using 12. Yeah, so just cut it out rectangle form like that. Then you're just gonna fold it into 2 this way, so as to draft out the curve. So I'm going down by 2 inches there, so I'll just do a free hand sketch and get a curve there. Then next is to get the dart. So I went down by 3 inches and the width by 1 inch, and I cut out the dart just like that. Then you're gonna cut the curve. You can make your own more curvy depending on how you want it. So next is to get my fabric. So I folded it into 4. Watch closely how I folded it. So the side is folded, the down is more important. The down needs to be folded. That point my pattern is starting needs to be folded. So just trace out your pattern that way very neatly, then trace out the dart also. Sorry, my video really is not really showing complete, but at least you can see how I just cut out the beanie that way, and also I'll cut out the dart next. Please like and do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be dropping more videos on streetwears. Yeah, so this is how it came out. Lovely. And so next thing, you're gonna first sew the dart. You're gonna first sew the dart. So I'm going to pin it that way. You see, I'm going to pin the dart that way with a pin. I'll pin the 4 sides, so and sew it. So I already sew the 4 sides of the dart like that, just very easy, and iron it. You see how it's looking. You see how it's looking. It is very easy to understand. So that's how I'm going to run my thread. There's an opening I left there, that point I marked. So I'll start from that point and just go half inch round, I'll go half inch round the whole bean. You see that place I stopped? There's an opening there I left, so I'll be able to turn the material inside out. So this is a very you can just do this on your own. You can use a manual machine or an electric turntable machine. It is a very easy method. So here is me turning the beanie inside out. Yeah, That's it. So just gonna iron it. Then before then, I'll use a needle and thread to tack that point that is the opening. You can either use a needle and thread to give it a neat finishing, or you can equally use your machine to just sew at that point. Then the next thing is to fold it inside, just the way I'm doing. Just fold it inside to get the shape right, and iron perfectly and neatly. You see, our beanie is ready. Here is how it's looking. See, very neat. So if you found this video helpful, please drop me a comment in the comment section, and if you're gonna try it out, you can send me a comment. Please like and share for more. Thanks.